What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best rice cookers for sushi rice. I have made this list based on capacity, special feature, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cuckoo Induction Heating Pressure Rice Cooker. The Cuckoo Induction Heating Pressure Rice Cooker uses induction heating to evenly cook your rice, saving time and energy in the process. And with the smart algorithm and use of the LCD screen, you can perfect your rice cooking skills with ease. With just a few simple clicks, you can cook any size of rice grains and have it done in no time. But that's not all. The Cuckoo CRPP0609S is also versatile and multifunctional. You can use it to cook other grains like quinoa and oats, or even use it as a slow cooker for meats and stews. Plus, the LED touch controls, 3-language voice guide, and preset timer make the Cuckoo rice cooker user-friendly. Number 2. Zojirushi Induction Heating System Rice Cooker and Warmer. The Zojirushi NPHCC18XH Induction Heating System Rice Cooker and Warmer features induction heating for even cooking, as well as multiple menu cooking functions to let you cook rice exactly the way you want it. The triple heater system ensures even heating. The automatic keep warm and extended keep warm options keep rice at the perfect serving temperature. For those looking for healthy cooking options, the Zojirushi also has brown rice, GABA brown rice, and germinated brown rice settings. Automatic keep warm and extended keep warm keeps rice at the perfect serving temperature. Number 3. Aroma Housewares ARC 5000 SB Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares earns the title of runner-up. This is a multi-purpose, digital rice cooker available in basic and professional versions, including 10 cups and 20 cups, uncooked sizes. It also features over a dozen cooking settings for families of all sizes and tastes. The built-in steamer allows you to cook 2 meals at once and offers slow cook, saute then simmer, STS, and automatic warming options. Aroma Sushi Rice Cooker accessories include a non-stick inner cooking pan, measuring cup, steam tray, and spatula. This particular cooker also features a 15-hour delay timer for effortless cooking. Number 4. Zojirushi NS LGC05XB Mikum Rice Cooker and Warmer. Zojirushi is known for its quality rice cookers, and you can't go far wrong with one. That's why I've included another 2 Zojirushi cookers later in this review. This 3-cup capacity, uncooked, Zojirushi NS cooker is on the smaller side and can make as little as half a cup if needed. Its compact size and small capacity make it an excellent option for singles, couples, or small families who only use it in small amounts. This Japanese rice cooker and warmer offers multi-menu cooking options for steel-cut oatmeal, brown or GABA rice, and long-grain white rice, as well as settings for sushi/sticky rice. Number 5. Panasonic Japanese Rice Cooker. This Japanese rice cooker by Panasonic is one of the best Japanese rice cookers. It uses induction heating to cook rice, porridge, and soup perfectly every time. The durable 7-layer inner pan with diamond coating is specially designed to withstand years of use with no loss of efficiency. With the 13 preset cooking programs, you can easily cook various types of rice, including white rice, quinoa, brown rice, sticky rice, and frozen rice. Plus, with the Panasonic Japanese Ricker cooker, you are able to keep your food at the ideal serving temperature for up to 12 hours. This high-quality rice cooker has some of the best sushi rice cooker reviews. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you.